iPhone 14 Pro, display and back glass broken. Let's fix it. First, remove the old broken display. Then, it's time to check with original new display. Original display works. Let's prepare to remove the back glass. It's important to remove some parts like camera, because it's fragile. Let's start removing back glass. iPhone 14 Pro back glass is very strong. It's important to remove it carefully. At the center, it's wireless charging coil. Heating gun can be used to melt glue. Half of the glass has been removed. It's almost done. Don't forget to remove old glue. After removing all glue, it's time to apply new glue. It's done. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Thank you for watching our video.